Guess who's back? Back again. Chef T's back. Tell your friends. Chef T's back. Chef T's back. Chef T's back. Dun, dun, dun. Ready talking man.
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell, and I'm gonna bring y'all a special episode today. A lot of people have been asking me for different vegan recipes, and you know, I actually looked at some of the old Chef T episodes that I had and actually did pretty good. So I thought, would it be a better idea than to bring Chef T back? So today I'm gonna bring you guys a special Chef T episode. We're gonna be making some Crunchwrap Supremes, vegan. So you don't have to go to Taco Bell, just come on over to Chef T and I'm gonna get you right, all right? So first thing first, we're gonna start with what we have. All this stuff is from Wegmans. If you don't have a Wegmans near you, I'm sure you can find some of this stuff in your local grocery store. All right, so for starters, we got some meatless beef style crumbles. This is Don't Have a Cow. This is really good, guys. I actually did my spaghetti and meatball recipe. I think it was my Chef T episode number 2. I used the meatball version of this and it was really good. So you guys try this out. You're gonna need yourself some taco seasoning to season up that meatless meat. All right. And I think this is by like El Paso. Yeah, old El Paso. Let's go ahead and get that. We got some Daiya cheese. As you see right there, new. It just hit the streets, guys. This that zesty cheddar style. Delicious right here, guys. This is gonna shock some people. You know what I'm saying? Daiya, you did a great job on this. Then we got some dairy-free sour cream. This is by Wayfair. This is actually pretty good. Tastes close to sour cream. You gotta get yourself some lettuce. As you see, I've been using this. We're down to the last bit, but we're gonna make it work. Jalapeño, this is optional. If you're not a big fan of spicy, stay away from this because, you know, fire will be coming out your bottom. So get yourself a jalapeno if you do like spicy. A little tomato. This is a hard taco, but it's flat. It's corn tortilla. It's hard though, it's a nice flat one. You'll see once I take it out the wrapper. And get yourself a big tortilla, a real big one. Last but not least, you're gonna need a small fajita size tortilla. All right, so this is everything that you're gonna need. I'll also put all these ingredients inside of the description. You missing something, man?
You missing your apron?
Apron, Chef T apron, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, guess I just gotta do this thing. Let's see if I still got it, man. It's been a while. See if I can. As you see, we got the official Chef T apron. Shout out to Roland, man. If you guys haven't seen our gift exchange, check it out, man. Chef T is here. So we're gonna jump right into this. Y'all stay tuned. So the first thing you're gonna do is you wanna cook up this beefless style crumble. Get yourself some vegetable oil or some olive oil. Put your pan on like medium. As you see, man, we're almost out. I eat this, man, about a couple times a week. It's probably like my 3rd time eating it this week alone, you know what I'm saying? So, doing it for y'all. You also wanna get your taco seasoning mix. Go ahead and start by putting some oil inside of the pan. So you're gonna need like a pan that's about this size. And then also you wanna get yourself a pot. This is where the cheese is gonna go. And we're actually about to start on the cheese too, so you guys will see that. Pretty much just go ahead and just let that heat up. You're gonna let that heat up a little bit. You're gonna put it on about low heat. Then you're gonna get that cheese, right? Now, 3 of these come in 1 pack. It's the last one, so that tells you something. I've been using this. Now this cheese is thick, and I like thick. You like thick? You like thick, Roman? If it's too thick for you, just add a little bit of water. Don't overdo it. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be very liquidy. It's like, look at this, get a close up on this. See that? See how thick it comes out? Once it melts, of course, it's gonna get a little bit thinner. But then if you add some water, just a little bit, don't overdo it, man. I'm telling you right now. Just like, you literally want to put like a little touch of water in there, man. I'm gonna show you, so you guys don't mess this up, man. Take my word for it. You try to put too much water in there, you're gonna be having cheese soup. You don't want cheese soup. Turn your water on. Watch me, man. Watch. Ha! That's it. That's it. That's all you need. That's all you need, man. I'm telling you that. Mix it up. And once it heats up and once it cooks, you guys are gonna see it nice and melted. All right, it smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell that. It kind of smells like nacho cheese. If you ever had some nachos, some cheese on it, that's exactly what it smells like, man. It smells amazing. Tastes even better. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna let that heat up. Then we're gonna work on this crumble right here, all right? We're gonna get the crumble. Just go ahead and put it on there, man. You know what? I'm just gonna use all of it, man. Just kind of just break it down a little bit. See, it's still a little bit frozen, but that's okay. All right, we're gonna just let that cook. Turn it up a little bit. Get it popping, baby. Before it starts to cook up, man, just go ahead and get your taco season and put it in there so it cooks with the meat. Meatless meat. Just go ahead and put it in there how much you like. And make sure you just taste it as you go. This is like, you know, my 4th time making this, so I can kind of eyeball it. But you guys, when you make it, just kind of put some in there, taste it, see how it is. Put a little bit more, you know. You can always add more. It's very hard to take some out, so don't just dump the whole pack in there thinking you know what you're doing. Crumbles is heating up, and while the cheese is heating up, we're gonna cut up the tomato and the lettuce and the jalapeno. Y'all stay tuned. So we got the tomato. I'm gonna show you guys how to cut this real quick, just in case you don't know how to cut it. But first, I want you to cut it in half, right? So cut it in half. You got 2 pieces like this. This is how you get the little small like cubes, kind of. You know, cut it in half. Cut this side in half. Then you're gonna cut this side in half. All right. Once you have that, then you're gonna go ahead, cut it this way. See that? Cut it that way. You don't gotta be perfect, but this is how you cut it to those small little pieces that you be seeing on the commercials, man. That's how they do it. So I'm gonna finish cutting this up, the lettuce up, and the jalapeno, and I'll show you what it look like. Y'all stay tuned. Meat is almost done. I said take like another minute or so. I was gonna put a little bit more taco seasoning, just a little bit. So once it's finished, the cheese is already done. You just gotta heat it up, you know what I'm saying? Roland just showed you guys the tomatoes, the lettuce, and the jalapenos. And I'm gonna show you guys how to make this Crunchwrap Supreme come together, man. Like a big old family, man. I'm telling you, dog. First thing first, we got the meat, meatless meat. We got the tomatoes, the lettuce, the jalapenos, and the cheese on the stove. So I'm gonna tell you how to do this, all right? So first you wanna take your meatless meat. Just go ahead and just put a little bit right here in the middle. Get close up on that, man. So you put that right there in the middle, right? All right. Then you're gonna take some of that cheese. Oh man, just watch this, man. Oh man. Ooh yeah. Look at that, guys. My mouth is watering right now. I know you guys' mouth is watering. Just a little bit more. All right. Then, this is where it get a little bit tricky. Get the hard one. All right, here we go. See, it looks like this. Nice and flat. It's a hard taco, except for it's flat. All right, you're gonna go ahead and just put that right here on the top, in the middle. Then this is where you put the rest of your toppings at. You're gonna put some lettuce. Oh man, a little bit more lettuce on there. Put some tomatoes on there. Oh man, tomatoes. All right, some jalapenos. Hey man, look at that right there. See that? Then you're gonna get that sour cream. The sour cream is gonna be the last thing that you put in there. Get that vegan sour cream and just scoop it out. See that? Scoop it out. Depending on how much you like sour cream, hey, go crazy. Go cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. I love sour cream. Look at that. All right. Then you're gonna get the soft taco, the little small one. You're gonna put that right over the top, just like that. Bam. All right, now this part right here is very, very tricky. It's the way you fold it. You gotta fold it so the Crunchwrap Supreme come together. If you pull too hard, it's gonna rip. So what you wanna do is you wanna fold it. You wanna fold it. Fold it. See that? Fold it. Last but not least, you're gonna fold it. If it rips, that's okay. All right? You're gonna take it just like this. A little bit more oil on there. Just a little bit. All right? But you wanna cook it this way down first. That way it stays together. So you're gonna put it down just like that. All right? You're gonna let that cook for a couple minutes. You see it ripped a little bit, but that's okay. You're gonna let it cook for a couple minutes. Flip it over and then cook it on the other side. And I'm gonna show you guys how the final product look. Y'all stay tuned. And there you have it, guys. Vegan Crunchwrap Supreme. I'm gonna cut it in half so you guys see what it looks like on the inside, man. Go ahead and just, oh man. Let's go ahead and just, just play the music, man. Just play the music. Look at that, man. Just look at that. Y'all can't tell me that don't look good, man. Y'all can't sit there behind that camera and tell me that this doesn't look good, man. I'm gonna give y'all a taste test, man, because I look at this, man.
Hey man, where you going? Where'd he go? Must be that good.
Tastes so good, I had to run away, man. Had to turn into Superman. Super T. What else to say? The video's over, man. I showed you guys a vegan Crunchwrap Supreme that is delicious. Chef T episode 3. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm out of breath. Hit the notification bell to get all notifications when I post. And I will see y'all next video. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?